This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the GPU from your system. Do it now and ground yourself to avoid static it matters. Once out, take off the shroud and fans and bag screws so nothing mixes. Next, clean thermal paste and dust with isopropyl 90% or higher. This removes oils that prevent paint adhesion. You want bare, dry plastic and metal. Make sure to work in a ventilated area and wear nitrile gloves to keep fingerprints off surfaces. Now you mask all sensitive areas. PCB traces, contacts, thermal pads, and heatsink fins with Captain or painter's tape. Once done, lightly sand painted plastics with 320 to 600 grit to create tooth. Clean again with tack cloth and isopropyl. Apply a plastic primer in thin, even passes from 10 to 15 centimeters. This promotes adhesion and prevents flaking later. Allow recommended flash times between coats and inspect for runs. A steady hand beats heavy layers. You're ready to paint. Apply 2 to 3 thin white coats, holding the can 10 to 15 centimeters away and using sweeping motions to avoid drips. Once opaque, finish with a clear coat, matte or gloss, to protect against chips and oils. Let the card cure for 24 to 48 hours before touching. If you see runs or adhesion issues, sand the spot, reprime, and repaint. If contamination persists, carefully remove paint with a plastic-safe remover and restart the masked, priming step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.